Okay, before I start, introduce myself. My name Gilang Sandi Satria. Today I'm gonna do presentation about my final assessment exam. Okay, so my presentation is social dynamic of Surabaya. Before I start, is geography about Surabaya. The city of Surabaya is in the lowland with a height of between 3 until 6 meter above sea level. Surabaya is located in the north coast area, East Java province. Geographically, it's located at 7 7 9 721 south latitude and 112.36 until 112.54 is longitude. The city of Surabaya borders the Madura Strait to the north and east, Sudarja Regency to the south, and Gresik Regency to the west. This is also why the air is considered hot and dry. The city of Surabaya has an area of 334 km, consisting of 31 subdistricts and 154 subdistricts. Next, there are boundaries of Surabaya, city to the north and east of Surabaya. There is the Madura Strait. Then to the south of Surabaya is the Sidoarjo Regency, while the west of Surabaya city is Gresik Regency. Next is and social and dynamic of Surabaya. Social characteristic Surabaya is a city with a high cultural diversity inhabited by people from various ethnic ethnicities, religion, and culture, including Javanese, Maduras, Chinese, and international communities. The residents are known to have a friendly nature, a strong spirit of nationalism, and strong work culture. The commonly used daily language are Javanese and Madura. Economic characteristics is the main economic center in East Java. Surabaya is one of the largest trading cities in Indonesia. The economy is supported by trade industry, major port such as Tanjung Perak. Service and tourism is addition. Surabaya act as a strategic business center connecting the western and eastern. Economic characteristics as the main economic center in East Java. Surabaya is one of the largest trading cities in Indonesia. The economy is supported by trade industry major ports such as Tanjung Perak. Next is social and economic disparity. Even though Surabaya is a major economic center, there is still gap between people who live is in poverty and those who live below the poverty line. This is influence social dynamic and encourage the emergence of various movements to fight urbanization and population density as one of the city with a high level of urbanization in Indonesia. Surabaya has experienced a significant increase in population. This encourages composition in the world of the world and of work and increase the need for more educated city facilities and infrastructure. Functionalism Functionalism social group in Surabaya, such as group based on ethnic, profession, origin, and habits, function to maintain societal stability through the division of role and contribution of each. For example, communities of traders, fishermen, and factories workers play an important role in supporting the city economy, while religion group contribute to social cohesion through religion activity. However, conflict theory is also relevant is in understanding the challenge facing the city, such as economic and social disparity that arise due to urbanization and modernization competition between more prosperous and less well-off groups often give rise to conflict due to inequality in access to resource and opportunities. From the perspective of symbolic interactionism, intellectual interaction in Surabaya show how symbolic as a language, custom, and tradition are used by individuals to build identity and social meaning. For example, the use of Javanese and Madurese in daily communication reflects strong cultural identity. Even in the context of urban society, social dynamics such as urbanization, social mobility, and technological change indicate structural social change. This is in line with a view of postmodernism, which sees urban communities such as Surabaya as space where plurality and changing identity as are the main characteristics. It is in this context, Surabaya reflects as blend of tradition and modernity, making it a unique place to study social interaction and social transmission. Surabaya combines traditional and modern cultural elements everyday life. The existence of the Kalimas River, green space as a Bungkul Park, and historical buildings such as the Herring Monument reflect how the community until and maintain the city ecology element while maintaining cultural heritage. Social and economic activities centered in urban area show cultural and environmental integration in the face of modernization. Rapid urbanization makes people adapt to urban lifestyle such as adopting digital technology in trade, education, and transportation activity in change allow efficiency in meeting daily needs. In a multicultural environment, the people of Surabaya develop an attitude of tolerance to create harmony between ethnic and religion groups. Cultural events as a Rujak Ulek festival are examples of cultural adaptation that integrate local tradition with community diversity. As a trade center, the people of Surabaya are adapting to modern economic pattern, such as an increase in online business, e-commerce, and small and medium enterprise or MSMES. Tanjung Perak Port is also one of the main source of livelihood that create community adaptation to global trade. Gender and development issue in Surabaya in the education sector. The level of women participation in formal education is quite high, but women still tend to face obstacles in accessing higher education in several low-income community groups. In the work in the world of work, although women have entered various formal employment sector, they are often concentrated in certain fields such as administration, education, and health service. Economic inequality, even though women contribute greatly to MSME sector. Their access to capital training and technology is still limited compared to men. This limits women's full potential in urban economic development, participation in politics and leadership. Despite this increase, the number of women occupying a leadership position in the government and private sector remain low. Cultural factor and gender stereotype are the main obstacle. Recommend and solution. Recommend and solution. Surabaya as a metropolitan city with complex social dynamic require a holistic approach to face existing social challenge. One of the main recommended is to strengthen education and training program for the community, especially for low-income group. This program should include a increased access to formal education and skill training relevant to the need of the modern labor market. In addition, the government can encourage collaboration with the private sector to create more job and entrepreneurial opportunities.